Sparksmith, helping you see and be seen. Today I wanted to go over how we make our custom animated startup sequential switchback cab lights. It's a three-piece set. What we do is we take a bare bones set of basic cab lights like this, install some of our animated strips inside, do some custom wiring in there, and reseal everything. So just wanted to show everybody the process that goes into making these cab lights. Okay, so we got our three housings prepped. I cleaned off the RTV from the lenses and from the housings. Had to take out, there's two support pieces that go right here in the center one. So to take those out and modify this opening here just a little bit. And now we're gonna take our 3M VHB double-sided tape and the strips that we've got that do the animation and the sequential turn, and install those onto the housings. Okay, so that's got all four strips mounted into the housings. I'm going to throw some JST connectors onto all 12 of these little wires here, and then these will be ready to seal back up to the housings, and then all we have to do is make the harness. Okay, so we've got all four strips mounted. We got the JST connectors done, so I'm going to set these off to the side for now. And next we can work on the wiring harness that will tie all of that together. So basically we've got four little JST connectors here, and we're going to use this wire, which is a 3-wire jacketed cable that I like to use. Makes for a very clean, almost OEM style harness that will go from left turn, right turn, power, and ground. We'll take all four of those inputs and put it to all four of these outputs, and I'll just tie all that together in one simple harness. So I've made the main connection to go from a 4-wire input to 4 3-wire outputs. So all I have to do is put some JST connections on all 4 of these, and this end, if it's a universal harness, it'll just be bare wire on the end. I'll just take it and strip back a few inches of the jacket, and it'll just be bare wire, and the customer can wire it however they'd like. If you buy the vehicle specific wiring for the 03 to 07 or 99 to 02 trucks, then this end of it, these 4 wires, 3 of them will go to fuse tabs for left turn, right turn, and key on power, and then one of them has a ring terminal for ground. so I got the JSTs done and the wires are all connected. So I'll make sure that everything works. The outer ones are 6-inch strips, so the start of the animation is faster than the center ones, which were 11-inch strips. But then we just make sure that left side works and right side works. And that's it. Wiring's done on these. We're ready to seal them back up. Before I seal them back up, because I don't want to disconnect these and forget which connections are which, because they are left and right specific, is I'm going to use my trusty little label anchor and label left side and right side, so that when the end user gets these, it's much easier to install. Okay, the wiring is all completely done on these. They're all labeled, plugged in, ready to go. We just have to put these pieces back into the lenses and add in some RTV, and they'll cure overnight and they'll be ready to go. And there you have it. We've got our universal harness, and we've got all 3 assemblies completely done with the strips installed, JSTs connected, and everything's labeled and ready to go. So these will cure overnight and they'll be ready to go out first thing tomorrow.